Hello, everybody. Today we are learning to use the Cosmic Garu. Okay, disclaimer. Your awakening does not awaken like this. This is a Roblox bot emote that I just mixed with the awakening. Wait, let me just kill the dummy first. And let's get to it. Okay, here we go. Let's go back. First, use Hunter's Mark. As you see, I used Hunter's Mark. Then wait. As you see, there's a red mark on him, and use Godslayer, and this custom cutscene will appear. A different cutscene will appear for Godslayer except of the normal one. Then it will give you a short amount of time to tap into Cosmic Garu. And here it is. And a random connection or friend will be the one who's touching your hand. See, it's very cool. For anyone who's wondering, only 2 new moves were added for Cosmic Garu, and you die at the end of the awakening. Let's test nuclear fission. Hold it. The more you hold, the farther it goes. This one has a sick cutscene. Wait, then it teleports you to space. It's a sick cutscene. And the second move, Singularity, which is like a nuclear ball. And it does less damage than nuclear fission. And once again, at the end of the Cosmic Garu Awakening, you die. Bye!